Here's the CamDock Spy camera. This device has an integrated camera on it that you cannot see. So currently I'm outside, I'm at Lowe's looking for something, and you can see inside the application of CamDock, I can see what's happening in front of the CamDock. Inside the box, they do provide a USB to micro SD reader. This is going to read the micro SD that you can install on the CamDock directly, and it is going to record directly on the micro SD. You don't need to have a micro SD to start using this device. I'm using it without the micro SD. You get a screw in order to have the CamDock camera fixed in place so that nobody can remove it without removing the screw. And the guitar pick is to remove the plastic at the top of the CamDock camera in order to install the micro SD. So here's where I have the CamDock camera installed. I also have a space heater hooked up on it, and also is plugged a humidifier. I have been using it this way for a few weeks now, and I can say that it can support a space heater directly plugged on it. So for the setup process, you will need to download the application for CamDock. After having the application on your smartphone, you will need to select the correct camera. Then the rest is straightforward. Follow the instruction that is prompted on the application, and after a while you are going to have the CamDock camera fully installed. The default password for the Wi-Fi coming from the CamDock camera is CamDog66. When the whole setup process for the camera and the application is done, you can simply click on the camera and you will see you will have the feed for the live camera coming from your CamDock camera. The application is very functional, but you will have to play with it in order to understand everything that the application can do, what pictures you can take, videos, and store the footage on your smartphone and all that. And also, if you decide to use the micro SD option, you can simply remove the plastic at the top of the CamDock camera and insert the micro SD, place the plastic back on, and after that, inside the application, you will see that there is a micro SD option for recording the videos. If you have the device near the floor, it is perfect for pets, dogs, and cats. If you have it a little bit up, you can see anybody who passes in front of it.